Danielle, welcome to On the Spot. I've got 6 questions. You ready?
Okay.
Why do you train?
To keep me sane,
Keep it sane. Why do you train at Illness for Life?
because it's part of my family and it's what I look forward to at 5:15 in the morning.
Awesome. What type of training do you enjoy the most?
Depends what week. Strength, hit, both of them, all of it actually.
And why?
Because there's so much variety and it changes every day.
Okay. What have you learned about yourself since being at Elements for Life?
That I can get stronger than what I was the day before.
Yes. What would be your advice to someone looking to start?
Just start
Start.
one day at a time and go.
Okay. Name 3 things that have supported greater success in regards to your health and fitness.
The team here, eating whole foods, and just being mindful of everything in life.
Very good. High five. Thank you very much.